Activision Blizzard, the publisher of Overwatch 2 and World of Warcraft, has said that Chinese publisher NetEase has declined a last-minute offer to extend their publishing deal in China. This means that services for games such as Overwatch 2, Hearthstone, and other Blizzard titles will discontinue today, January 23rd, as planned. This was announced back in November. It just really sucks because games like World of Warcraft, something that we all play together here on the podcast network, it's a community builder. It's a place where you hang out with friends after a long day of work, or just a way to connect with people you don't see very often, and they're losing that connection. Many of these people have accounts for over a decade and have been playing for over a decade now, and suddenly today it's gone. You know, governments, politics, companies aside, I really hope our brothers and sisters get back to Azeroth and get back to their communities soon.